Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of mine. In this video I'll show you how you can make a toy tractor. It's just a simple one. Cut the blank and plane it to the right size and transfer your pattern, and then you can cut it out on the bandsaw. As usual, this small belt sander comes in really handy to sand the outside curves. Drill the axle holes. And chamfer the edges with the router. Sand it smooth by hand. Drill a hole for the exhaust pipe and sand it until it fits. Now it's time to drill a hole for the steering wheel. It's a beautiful steering wheel made by Craftparts. Thank you, Craftparts. And also the beautiful wheels and the bags and the exhaust pipe. Such amazing products and easy for toy making. To finish the wheels I'm using Rubio Monocoat oil, Charcoal oil. For the tractor I used all different colors and I think they turned out beautiful. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in one of my new videos. Bye! Oh, whoops, before we say goodbye I still need to assemble the tractor. Glue every part together with wood glue. Oh, and if you think it takes too long for me to publish new videos, you can always go and watch one of my older videos. Bye bye! Enjoy the nice weather!